Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable download option in your Google Drive so you can easily prevent file downloads. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser. I have my Chrome over here. The home page, if you're not on your G Drive, you can click on this grid icon, select Drive, and over here, all of your files should be present on your screen. Now, for example, this is the specific file I want to disable any download option. You can click on this icon, which says share, left click on it, and make sure this is changed to anyone with a link. And then once that's done, go over here, click on the gear icon, the settings icon. Then you can easily disable this option, all right? So commenters and viewers, uncheck this. By doing this, you have successfully disabled the download option for this particular file. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.